All right, guys, we're here with customer of the year, Scott. We got about 3,500 square foot house, and we've got 4 units on here now, and we've almost completely been able to eliminate the main 5-ton unit that was on the roof. We'll go around and show you what's going on. Here's the dual head 24K unit. Got 6 455 bifacials here, and we're using these S5 clamps on the standing seam. I really like these. Look over on this side. I believe that's a Tamarack system. That runs a single 12K. That's 4 455s in series to power the 12K. This unit is no longer on anymore. You look over here, we got 4 455 bifacials on ballast rack on the flat roof, no roof penetrations. Here's the 2,000 watts that run the 18K. These are the brick weighted ballast mat system. Been very impressed with these. We had a 75-mile-an-hour storm about a month ago, and this was totally fine here. And this powers one 18K Airspool. Here's another ballast mount system on the same roof. This powers a 12K with 2,000 watts, which is overkill, but we do get a little bit of shadowing with these interesting parapets up here. Okay, here's the single 12K unit that runs the living room here. This one came out really nice and clean. Got the PVC duct cover. The water drain vent here runs in PVC. Connects in with another one that's roof mounted down here. We already happen to have our 110 volt outlet right here. So the means of disconnect is really easy right here. We're running this one on 110, not 220 obviously. And here's our DC disconnect switch that comes with the unit right there. This is about as clean as it gets. When I first started doing these, oh, and here's Roscoe. I used to isolate the feet because I was worried about vibration, but these have been so quiet and have not had any trouble, so this is simple tap con to the floor just so the dogs don't knock it over. So here's the casita, the rental house. This was the real bummer because the customer was paying for the power at the rental house. So we've saved them some money here. There's a 12K that we mounted on just a little piece of bar stock here on the parapet wall. Here's our high voltage line coming in. We haven't covered that trench up yet, but DC disconnect switch and EMT up there. Still a little bit of stucco to do up in the wall hole. Here's the single 18K. We're powering this off of about 2,000 watts, 4 455 bifacials that I showed you on the roof there. This came out real clean. Metal conduit up to the roof, or down to the unit from the roof. DC disconnect. We tapped into a J-box here that had 220. Flex to it to the unit, and just some simple bricks to mount with some tap cons. It's pretty solid, not going anywhere either. So another good install here in Tucson.